Coach, splendid knock by Harris, but one thing was very visible that the stamina. He stepped in after 30th over and after spending 60, 70 minutes on crease, he was look exhausted and in last overs he couldn't make to the century as well. We have 3 wickets in hand, but in last 3 overs we only made 20 runs. What is the problem with the players?
Who's that? Harris?
Yeah.
Why
Stamina
can't we
was
just
there.
write
He
something
he was
positive
look
about Harris?
But he was look exhausted after 70, 80 minutes.
He got 80 or 59 balls today.
But he couldn't make it.
Is that right? Or did I miss something? I think, why are you always talking negatively about our players? That today was one of the all-time brilliant innings that I've seen. Let's just write something positive for a change, please.
Team made you smile today. It's a big movement today. And we say in Pakistan that party start now. Abhi to party shuru hui. So,
You weren't saying that last Sunday.
So it is a big movement. But tell me, it is necessary for Pakistan team to lose first the matches and then they will on the victory path?
No, we don't do that by any design, I promise you. We try and win every game we play. We're trying to get that consistency better. You ask me that question every press conference. Yes, we're trying to get more and more consistent. We try that every day with our training and preparation. What I do know is the guys do when their backs are to the wall. We get some good performances out of them, and maybe I just think the guys were burnt last week. The guys were incredibly hurt by media, by public, by social media, and hopefully we got a proper reaction from them today that can just shut some people up for a little while.
Mickey, as a South African former Proteas coach, are you disappointed to see the state that the South African team is at the World Cup?
Well, let me say, I watch South Africa with a real fondness. South Africa are my second team, without a doubt, and it is sad for me. It's sad, and I don't think it's a team that's just. I listened to Faf's press conference, and it's a team that's just a little bit short of confidence.